Brianna,
Caillou,
Eugene Hanoni.
My name is Sahil, and today I'll be presenting the topic about aerodynamics.
Hello, my name is Olivia Anderson, and I'll be testing the durability of these two bicycle helmets and the impact when they hit the ground.
So the question that I tested was, does the paper towel brand Bounty absorb more water than the brand Brownie?
what's the best way to microwave a burrito?
Will the antibacterial soap versus alcohol-based hand sanitizer kill the most bacteria?
What chemicals brown make the Pokemon freshener and fake guys?
Is it possible to use different combinations of animal and plant waste products to generate biomass gases?
Will the organic fruits rot faster than the non-organic fruits?
Will putting curtains on windows help keep the room warm?
Seed scarification is the outer seed coat weakening. This lets water enter through the seed easier, which allows germination to occur sooner.
Plants are organisms that can react to stimulus. A plant's reaction to stimulus is called tropism. And the type of tropism we're doing today is thigmotropism.
Non-organic fruits have preservatives, which makes them last longer.
Based on my research, I think freshly made homemade yogurt will have more probiotics compared to store-bought Trader Joe's organic whole milk yogurt and Mountain High original whole milk yogurt.
My process is yes, for the most even heating, the burrito should be placed closest to the edge.
Yes, because curtain block the heat from getting out of the house. I think the best kind of curtain is a thick curtain.
When we're touching the plant, we use something called the touching tower, which we made.
It'll be a guard plate, 10 cotton swabs and 5 pouches, hand sanitizer, and antibacterial soap.
To do this experiment, you need fake ice, super thicker ice cord for the rubber band to launch the puck across the ice.
So these are the videos. As you can see, this is the thick airfoil and this is the thin airfoil lifting up. So this is eventually how high it goes up.
This is the tool I'll be using to test my project. What you do is that you lift this key from the top and the bicycle helmet falls.
This is trial 1 and 2 pictures, trial 3, and trial 4 pictures.
This is the zucchinis, bananas, tomatoes, and apples on March 7th, 2021. And this is April 7th, 2021. On the left is the organic, and the right is the non-organic. As you can see, because the non-organic ones are completely fine and the organic ones are doing terrible.
Trial 1, day 1. This is day 2. This is day 3, day 4, and day 5.
Video of experiment, no spray. Video of experiment, silicone spray.
Go. Go.
And this is me taking the temperature of each of the bottles after the experiment. This is my graph of all 3 trials I tested. As you can see, homemade yogurt has the least pH value. Charts. This is my starting temperature, 155, and then the end temperature. This is a gauge chart. The starting temperature is 155, and you can see the difference between the temperatures and how much it lowered. This is my bar chart.
My hypothesis was unconfirmed. After testing the 2 helmets, CPSD certified and multi-use, I can conclude that out of the 2 helmets, they are both equally effective. Both helmets passed the first test, but failed by the second test.
My hypothesis was correct. Homemade yogurt has more probiotics than store-bought Trader Joe's organic plain whole milk yogurt and Mountain High original plain whole milk yogurt because it has the lowest average pH value.
And my results supported my hypothesis, meaning my hypothesis was accurate.
Conclusion. I was not able to prove my hypothesis after 4 experimental trials failed to create any measurable amount of gas.
My experiment showed that it didn't matter the amount of sugar in its cups. What did matter was there was some sugar mixed with water.
80% of the seeds from a package store-bought should germinate. But if the seeds are old, which may be the problem with my grandpa's bean seeds, even less than the seeds may germinate or none at all. Scarifying the seeds to germinate the seed faster would allow gardeners to determine if their seeds will germinate sooner.